is on a bold mission to make its manufacturing customer resilient and sustainable. From solving critical business problems like helping a chemical company reduce its wastage, to making their products greener, helping an automotive company reduce its energy consumption, to improve its safety standards by the use of technology. We are on our way to make manufacturing customers' value chain efficient, sustainable, and safe. Together with ServiceNow, we are building our next generation of offerings. Join me at Knowledge 24 in Vegas, where we unveil our offerings to rise for a sustainable future.